Introducing the 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ, where luxury meets cutting-edge technology. Dive into a driving experience like no other, as the Escalade IQ boasts state-of-the-art features, from its powerful electric engine to an advanced infotainment system integrated with 5G capabilities. With an iconic design and a strong emphasis on safety and comfort, this SUV not only sets a new benchmark for luxury vehicles, but also demonstrates Cadillac's commitment to sustainability and innovation. Join us as we unravel the wonders of the Escalade IQ. The Escalade IQ boasts a formidable electric engine with a staggering 750 horsepower, propelling it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Its high-performance battery promises an impressive range of 450 miles on a single charge, allowing for extensive travels without the constant need for recharging. With the rapid charging feature, the battery can quickly reach 80% in under 30 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime during longer journeys. Inside, it continues to impress. The luxurious cabin is adorned with the finest leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof, providing an unparalleled travel experience. Complemented by an advanced infotainment system, it guarantees continuous connectivity and entertainment for both the driver and passengers. All in all, the Escalade IQ combines the zenith of luxury with remarkable performance in an environmentally conscious package.
Wow, isn't that something? Holy cow. I gotta say, you are witnessing the rise of Cadillac. It's our sleekest, most stunning full-size luxury SUV ever, the first ever Cadillac Escalade IQ. Again, Cadillac sets the standard. And there are dozens of reasons why, but here are just a few. Escalade IQ features up to 100 miles of range from a 10-minute charge with DC fast charging, a 15% improvement in aerodynamics, 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, a 6.5-foot shorter turning diameter, and that's smaller than a lot of sedans, as you might know, 400,000 miles of hands-free driving with available Super Cruise, an immersive pillar-to-pillar 55-inch total diagonal LED display. And here's the big one. Cadillac estimated 450 miles of EV range on a full charge. The Cadillac Escalade IQ is designed to set a new benchmark in the luxury EV SUV class. Incredible range is just one of the ways a new generation of designers and engineers are delivering on the brand promise that Escalade and Cadillac represent. Here's another. It's the best driving, most maneuverable Escalade ever. A big, bold SUV that provides the intuitive, inspired driving experience of a much smaller vehicle. I gotta tell you, driving this is just incredible. I can't tell you enough. And what a pleasure it is to drive. It's just fantastic. This is like no other SUV I've ever driven. It has an amazing turning radius, as I mentioned. It's very fast, and it's ultra refined from a ride and handling standpoint, incredibly integrated. It's a prime example of Cadillac's philosophy in isolated precision, quiet, smooth, effortless, and a strong connection to the road for an engaging experience. And it's all a result of the bold choices made by our design and engineering teams. Let's take a look.
You have a choice when you set out to reinvent an icon. You can be cautious, or you can be bold. Escalade has always been about being bold.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
A brave, bold design for a new generation. Michael Simcoe and his team have taken Escalade design to new heights, as you can see. The vehicle is simply stunning, inside and out. By starting with an all-new EV architecture, Cadillac's design and engineering teams weren't restricted by the traditional boundaries set by legacy architectures. They were allowed to completely reimagine the Escalade IQ. The result is a magnetic presence with iconic brand aesthetics that live up to and embrace Escalade's legacy. To give you a deeper dive, I'd like to hand it over to someone who knows this vehicle on a DNA level. Please meet the chief engineer behind the all-new, all-electric Cadillac Escalade IQ, Mandy Damon. Congratulations. So Mandy, I know how intensely your team has focused on delivering the standard of the world, and it shows. Congratulations on the phenomenal product. It really changes the game in this segment. So Mandy, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Mark. And you nailed it. This vehicle changes the game in this segment, and that's exactly what we set out to do. I'm honored to be here representing the people who designed, engineered, and are going to build the Escalade IQ. There is nothing quite as exhilarating for an engineer or designer to have such incredible creative freedom. It's the assignment of a lifetime, and our team delivered beyond expectations. The first place you see it is in the profile. It's sleek and athletic. And then you combine that with this powerful front end and the bold stance. It's an all-new design that's distinctly Escalade. The 24-inch wheels and 35-inch tires are the largest we've ever offered on an Escalade, and they add to that impressive presence of the vehicle. And that lighting, that iconic vertical lighting signature that you've come to know on Escalade, it's more dramatic than ever. Escalade IQ has its own unique animation, building on the strategy we introduced with the Lyric. When it recognizes you, it says hello, and then says goodbye as you walk away. It's all designed to create a deeper connection between customer and vehicle. The front storage area is amazing. At 12 cubic feet, it's enormous, and it's finished like a luxury interior. And the driver's door powers itself open when the vehicle detects the customer's presence through the key fob. One important story behind the beautiful exterior design is how much engineering went into it. That incredible 450 range that Mark mentioned is made possible by advanced aerodynamics. I cannot stress enough the meticulous attention given to every detail to reduce the coefficient of drag. Our designers and engineers worked hand in hand to make it bold, to make it beautiful, and to slide through the air. I'd like you to meet two of them now.
To us, Escalade IQ is more than just a design. It is a work of art.
One of my hobbies is watercolor painting, and I enjoy the fact that I can show some of my artistic side at work as an engineer. That makes working with design studios so much easier. I can understand their language.
As we transition from internal combustion to electric vehicles, aerodynamics have become critical. The sleek new design makes Escalade IQ beautiful, but it is also an important part of achieving incredible range.
Design and engineering worked very, very closely together. For example, a spoiler corner applique connects the edges of the rear spoiler and the liftgate glass, smoothing the transition of air with an uninterrupted surface at the corner of the vehicle. We lowered the coefficient of drag by 15% compared to the gas-powered version. At the same time, we retained the iconic Escalade look and presence. We just want to push ourselves to make sure this vehicle is as efficient as it can be, so you get the maximum range.
We have sleek, athletic proportions the customer will love, and we have aerodynamics that are amazing. It's a win-win.
Escalade IQ is proof that beauty can be functional, and it will set a new standard of interior design as well. The blending of design and engineering will take customers on a luxurious journey at every touch and with every interaction. It's loaded with comfort, craftsmanship, and technology, all converging into a seamless luxury experience.
Cadillacs are distinctive design statements all their own. For Escalade IQ, our intent from the very beginning was to create an interior that was distinctive, its own expression.
no matter where you're seated in the vehicle. Passengers in the front and second row can browse the web, they can watch and listen to movies and other media, and there's an HDMI connection for the front and second row seats.
Executive second row seating really revolutionizes the rear seat experience. It features the most premium captain's chairs ever offered in an Escalade. You can use the rear command center touchscreen to adjust your HVAC and even open and close your doors. And you can charge your devices while recharging yourself with the ventilated and massaging seats.
We're so excited to get this vehicle in the customer's hands. We're really proud of the experience we've created, not just for the driver, but for everyone in the vehicle.
If you like this interior in the video, you'll love it in person. It's gorgeous. If you haven't had a chance, make sure to check out the gallery space. You can experience the pillar-to-pillar 55-inch total diagonal display powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon and see and feel some of our premium materials. Let me leave you with a personal thought about what my colleagues and I are most proud of. We felt a great responsibility to Cadillac, to our company, to our dealers, and most importantly, to our customers. Our team took the history-making opportunity that we were given, and they absolutely delivered. This is truly a vehicle without compromise. You can have a bold, full-size SUV that's nimble and quick. The Escalade IQ does 0 to 60 in less than 5 seconds, and it has exceptional ride isolation, smoothness, and motion control. We wanted to ensure that the driver felt confident when unleashing all that power. You can have a vehicle loaded with the latest technology, 0 tailpipe emissions, and a Cadillac estimated 450 miles of range. It means you could travel from New York to Nantucket, or make the 7-hour drive to Virginia Beach and arrive with range to spare. You will need to stop and recharge yourself before your Escalade IQ needs charging. And if you do stop on that 7-hour drive, you can add up to 100 miles of range in about 10 minutes at a DC fast charger capable of 350 kilowatts at 800 volts. In case you can't tell, we're super proud of the Escalade IQ and the way it takes the bold heritage of the Escalade nameplate to a new, exciting level. This is the new standard of the world in full-size SUVs. There are just so many huge wins for the customer, we couldn't fit them all into 20 minutes. So for now, I'd like to ask Mark and John to come back up, along with Executive Director, Global Cadillac Design, Brian Nesbitt. We're here to fill in the blanks and answer any questions. Thank you.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.